Before I start today, I want to show you what you can do with the photos that you take from your pours. This is a notebook, and you can take different sections of your pour. Like this one is a different section from this one, and you can do other things like mug, and they come in boxes like this. This is another one. You can put color on the inside or just white on the inside. So this is a way that you can make money from the pours that you do, from the photos of the pours that you do. Okay, so these are the colors that we're going to be using first. We have primary cyan, we have primary yellow, we have primary magenta, and we have burnt umber. I put the whole, whatever was left in these tubes, completely, whatever is left in the tubes, the complete 2.5 ounces of paint, and the remainder is the pouring medium, and this is a 7 ounces cup. It is a little bit thinner than what I normally do, probably too thin, well no, but I did it this way so you know exactly how much to put. So I put the whole amount of paint in the 2.5 tube, and then I fill it up with the pouring medium. So this is the spot on, so 2 of the spot on, including on the white. And then 2 of the treadmill. Whoa, that was too much. Oh well, that yellow got a lot, so I'm not going to put any of the Dimeticon on the yellow. So 2 of the Dimeticon on the others. And I'm going to start with the white, and this is going to be a tilt and sip. To do the tilt and sip, you do first a flick up, then you put white around, good amount of white. I'm gonna put more on this side because I'm gonna sip it on that side. And I'm going to show you how to, I'm going to wait a little bit until it goes down. So now I'm going to tilt, and then I'm going to start sipping it underneath this white like this and open it. Look how pretty. Okay, now I'm going to bring my torch. Now we're gonna move it, and it is extremely runny, extremely runny. So that was not a good example of the amount of pouring medium that you need. I'm just going to pour this, and we'll do this one again. I knew it was too runny, but wanted to do it anyway. Let's see, maybe this is what you need for the 3-ring pour. The consistency was extremely runny. I knew it, but it's pretty. We're gonna put it in the... This is what you get when your consistency is more runny. Before I change the consistency of the paints, which are very, very liquid right now, I want to because the 3 rings needs to be fluid like that. I think I'm gonna make a 3 ring now. And if not, I will do it again and change the consistency. We're testing here so that you can test different consistencies, using it with different, not the one that I normally use. This is more liquid, but I'm gonna test it. So let's do a 3 ring with that consistency. Gonna start with white. Stop it there. Gonna torch it. I have this remaining, and I was thinking of putting on the corners. Let's see, or putting the blue or the brown. Decisions. Let's see we're gonna have in here, and then we decide what we want to do. I like more what is happening in here. When I do 3 rings, I like them to become different shapes, not showing the rings and just my taste. But we can do one showing just the rings. Just one more corner to do. Now I'm going to fill those edges. Anything that needs to be completed, like this side. Everything to be pretty. So reviewing what we did with these two, the consistency of the paints was very thin. However, they turned out pretty gorgeous. This was a 3-ring pour, beautiful 3-ring pour, and this one was the tilt and sip technique. So it doesn't matter if the consistency is thin or thick. It depends on the type of look that you want. There's so many alternatives you can do with different thickness and putting different type of mediums or putting different type of additives.